Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss the differences between net income and cash flow from operating activities, CFO. Both are important financial measures used to evaluate a company's performance, but they serve different purposes. Net income focuses on profitability, whereas cash flow from operating activities focuses on the actual cash generated from core business operations. Let us understand the major differences between them. Number 1. Net income represents the profit or loss earned after all revenues, expenses, gains, and losses are recorded, whereas cash flow from operating activities represents the actual cash generated or used by normal business operations. Number 2. Net income is calculated using the accrual basis of accounting, whereas cash flow from operating activities is based on actual cash inflows and outflows. Number 3. Net income includes non-cash items such as depreciation, amortization, impairment, and provisions, whereas cash flow from operating activities excludes the effect of non-cash items. Number 4. Net income primarily measures profitability, whereas cash flow from operating activities measures liquidity and cash-generating ability. Number 5. Net income recognizes revenue when it is earned and expenses when they are incurred, whereas cash flow from operating activities recognizes transactions when cash is received or paid. Number 6. Net income is reported on the income statement, whereas cash flow from operating activities is reported in the operating activities section of the statement of cash flows. Number 7. Net income can be more affected by accounting estimates and assumptions, whereas cash flow from operating activities reflects actual cash movements and is generally more objective. Number 8. Net income indicates the company's ability to generate profit, whereas cash flow from operating activities indicates the company's ability to generate cash from its core business. Number 9. Net income is mainly used to evaluate profitability and overall financial performance, whereas cash flow from operating activities is mainly used to assess liquidity and short-term financial health. Number 10. Net income is influenced by accounting policies, accruals, and estimates, whereas cash flow from operating activities is influenced by cash transactions and working capital changes. Number 11. An increase in inventory can reduce net income through related expenses, whereas an increase in inventory generally reduces cash flow from operating activities because cash is tied up in stock. Number 12. Net income may include sales revenue even when cash has not yet been received from customers, whereas cash flow from operating activities increases only when cash is actually collected. Number 13. Depreciation expense reduces net income, whereas depreciation is added back when calculating cash flow from operating activities under the indirect method because it is a non-cash expense. Number 14. Net income includes income tax expense whether paid or unpaid, whereas cash flow from operating activities includes the actual cash paid for taxes. Number 15. Dividend payments do not directly affect net income, whereas dividend payments are excluded from cash flow from operating activities and reported under financing activities. Number 16. Net income tells investors how much accounting profit the company earned, whereas cash flow from operating activities tells investors how much actual cash the company generated from its operations. Conclusion. A company can report a high net income but still experience low or negative cash flow from operating activities due to poor cash collection or high working capital requirements. Therefore, investors, managers, and analysts should always evaluate both measures together to obtain a complete picture of a company's profitability, liquidity, and overall financial health. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.